बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस कंगना रनौत, जो अपने बोल्ड बेबाक बयानों के लिए जानी जाती हैं, आजकल कुछ ज्यादा ही मुसीबतों में घिरी हुई नजर आ रही हैं। इन मुसीबतों का कंगना ने सामना किया है और हर किसी को करारा जवाब भी दिया है।
I saw that and I could see this and the whole country could see this and there was that time where for the first time I felt that it's just not me or an individual battle. It is now they are trying to gather a crowd and probably an entire state and authorities against me. So that is the time my sister approached the Home Minister's office. She expressed her concerns that, you know, these people are trying to openly lynch her and turn the entire force and the entire state against her, and that too based on lies and blatant lies. So then they told us that, well, it doesn't look like something that, you know, where you need security, but we will still get IB to investigate the threat. And we were relieved that, you know, maybe we are over imagining and, you know, it's not something dangerous. And then in 2 days, we get a call from, again, Home Minister's office, and they're like, you got to be very careful. Your threat is real, and now you will do as you are told by the security, and you are getting Y+ security. And ever since, nothing has been same. I mean, here in Manali, we had some people, and then we went to Chandigarh, some more armed CRPF people joined us. And then as we landed in Mumbai, I could not see anything else but only armed forces around me. And, you know, it is the way they intensify and the way they, you know, kind of become lesser and lesser. It is a clear indication of the threat around you. When they demolished the office, after that, the intensity of the security became so high. You know, for me to land in my house with that kind of security, in my own house, and then to visit my other house, which I use more like an office, and to see it completely destroyed. You know, house is not just roof and walls or furniture. House is an extension of your emotional body. And when I was in the flight, they gave us hardly 24 hours notice. I was in the flight, the bulldozer was already there. So I called my lawyer desperately. I said, you know, what do I do? Because I'm in the flight, my phone will go off. He's like, ask your helper to leave from there and lock the office. There's no way anybody can enter that. They don't do this even with gangsters and murderers and criminals. And they will wait for you to come, and don't worry, nothing will happen. They broke the lock. They entered, they completely broke the house down, and उन्होंने ताला तोड़ा मेरे घर का. उन्होंने मेरे घर का ताला तोड़ा और मेरे घर में कम से कम 40 से 50 घर तोड़ने वाले लेके आए थे. And the president of the locality, she is a very kind woman, like a mother figure to me. She said that, Kangna, I was standing there, I had tears in my eyes, and the BMC people who are, she is very friendly to, और वो उनके जानने वाले हैं, उनके जो काम करने वाले हैं, वो आके कह रहे थे कि सर हमारे बच्चों को बद्दुआ लगेगी, हमसे ये करवा रहे हैं, हमारे कर्मों का फल हमारे बच्चों को करना पड़ेगा, हमसे ये क्या करवा रहे हैं. These are their words.
वहीं आपको ये भी बता दें कि एक्ट्रेस उर्मिला मातोंडकर पर भी कंगना ने पलटवार करते हुए उनकी तुलना सॉफ्ट पॉर्न स्टार से कर डाली है.
Another thing I want to talk about, that a lot of people, today also I saw one very derogatory interview given by Urmila Matondkar. The way she was talking about me, just completely teasing through the interview, pulling faces and just making a mockery out of my struggles, and attacking me on the basis on the fact that I'm trying to please BJP for a ticket. Well, one doesn't have to be a genius to figure that for me, it's not very difficult to get ticket. I don't have to play with my life or to get my property ruined. Even Urmila Matodkar, she is a soft porn star. No, I know it's very blatant, but no, I want to ask you, she's not known for her acting for sure. What is she known for? For doing soft porns, right? If she can get a ticket, why won't I get a ticket? Anybody is getting a ticket, everybody is getting a ticket.